So hello my subscribers, and today we are going to talk about the best communication skills. The best communication skills. Obukodyo mukwogera mu bantu. So most of you didn't know that there are some basic rules or basic skills that you do require before addressing any audience. So today, stick around and watch up to the end, because the last one is going to help you when you're addressing any audience of your choice. So stick around and let's start. Okay, number one is clarity. Clarity. What do I mean by this? You should keep in mind that your message must be clear and easy to understand by the audience. Once again, your message must be clear and easy to understand by the audience. Clarity in Luganda is kyogerako kitegerekeka. Nga kyogerako kitegerekeka. So tulina kozesa luzungu lukaluba nnyo, tulina kozesa bigambo bizibu kutegeera. So clarity, message erina okubanga kintu kyogerako kitegerekeka abo boli mu communicating nabo. So your message must be clear to the audience. Hope we are clear on that. So that is clarity. Number two, we have non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. With non-verbal communication, I mean how your body moves. For example, your body gesture, your eyes, your hands when you're communicating, as in your tone, your mouth, the way your eyes look at the audience. For example, when I'm communicating to you and I say, today we are going to look at, you will say, hey, what the hell, what is he talking about? But when I'm confident and I'm looking straight to you, you say, yes, I get what. So with non-verbal communication skills, you have to make sure that your body language demonstrates out the message you are trying to communicate to the audience. So you should keep in mind with the non-verbal communication, the hands, the eyes, the body movement, that is non-verbal communication. So ebitundu byo ebyombi ebirina okumakinga sure nti biraga ekifaananyi kyogezaako okwogerako. Tolina kubeera mu kifo kimu. Your body has to be flexible. Olina okuba confident okulaga ki ogezaako okumatiza ki kyogezaako kukola ki okwogera. So that is non-verbal communication. So omubiri gwo engeri gye gutambulamu, non-verbal communication kitegeeza omubiri gwo engeri gye gutambulamu ng'oyogera. Oba oyogera ku kintu ekiraga essanyu, of course you have to be happy. Oba oyogera ku kintu ekiraga ennaku, you have to be with a strong tone such that you convey the message very well. So keep in mind with the non-verbal communication. Confidence. Yes, confidence. So most of the speakers are confident. Confidence in Luganda is wekkiririzaamu. Wekkiririzaamu. So kyogerako olina okubanga wekkiririzaamu such that okigwogerako bulungi, you convey the message very well because you're confident, and it means that what you're speaking or what you're talking about is true. Kyogerako kituufu okyekakasa. So if you lack confidence, of course you will not convey the message very clearly. So olina okubanga wekkiririzaamu mu ekyo kyogerako. So number 3 is confidence. Wekkiririzaamu. Number 4 is be open-minded. Be open-minded. With this I mean listening to other people's opinions without quickly dismissing them. You should listen to other people's opinions without quickly dismissing them. Open-minded in Luganda kitegeeza beera okkiririza mu ndowooza y'abalala. Beera ng'okkiririza mu ndowooza y'abalala. For instance, oli wabanga alina kyateesa oba nga kyagala okuteeka mu maaso, mukkirize akiteeke mu maaso, such that oyongera okumanya whether kyoyogerako kitegeerekeka oba tekitegeerekeka. So be open-minded, kkiriza endowooza z'abalala ng'oziwa value oba ng'ozikkiriza okubuziraisinga kubanga bazoogerako. So that is being open-minded. The next one is be an active listener or active listening. Active listening. Omuwuliriza omulungi. Omuwuliriza omulungi. So active listening, you should listen to what the audience is suggesting or what is raising out when you're communicating to them. Olina okubanga owa chance ebirowoozo by'abalala ng'obiwuliriza, because a good communicator must be a good listener. As an English proverb says, a good communicator must be a good listener. So olina okubanga owuliriza endowooza z'abalala ng'ate wo displaying out oba you're giving out your communication to the public. The next one is be brief and clear in your message. Be brief and clear in your message. So tolandaga byotayina kwogerako tobyogerako. Tolandaga. Be brief and clear. You should be straightforward to the point you want to convey the message to. Are we together? So tolandaga mu byotayina kwogerako. So be clear and brief and make sure that your message is clear to understand. Okay, the next one is show respect. Show respect. Samwe ekitiibwa abantu b'oli mu kwogereramu. So showing respect is that respect the audience, respect their reaction and feelings. So for instance, you are in Uganda, you shouldn't talk about things that do annoy the audience that you're trying to speak to, because they will not listen to you. Hope we are together on that. So olina okubeera nga ossaamu abantu b'ogenda okwogera nabo ekitiibwa. Nga wengezaawo kugamba nti bw'oli mu Baganda ebintu byogerako bireme ate kubanyiiza bunyiiza, awo tebajja kuwuliriza. Hope you are together on that. But you have a specific message you are conveying to the public. Olina okuba nga omanyi kiki ogenda okwogerako. Okay, let's proceed. Accept feedback. Accept feedback from the audience. Kkiriza endowooza z'abalala. Kkiriza endowooza z'abalala. So accept feedback from the audience. This will help you understand whether your message is being understood clearly oba tebakitegedde. Hope you are together on that. So when you accept feedback, ogenda okumanya nti eno message gye njogeddeko bakitegedde bulungi oba tebakitegedde bulungi. Hope you are together on that. Okay, let's proceed. So another thing is that you have to ask questions. Ask questions about what you have communicated. This will help you know whether your audience has understood what you've talked about. So buuza ebibuuzo kwebyo by'oyogeddeko, kigenda kukuyamba okumanya whether kyogeddeko bakitegedde oba tebakitegedde. So olina okubuuza ebibuuzo. Ask questions. So be flexible. Be flexible. You have to keep in mind about the audience that you are communicating to. For example, when you're communicating to kids, you should be a bit more jokey compared to when you're communicating to adults. So olina okuba nga omanyi abantu b'ogenda okwogereramu. Obanga ogenda kwogera n'abaana bato, olina okumakinga sure nti ekintu ky'ogenda okwogerako okiteeka mu form of omuzannyo. Okitegeera? Yes, okiteeka mu form of omuzannyo such that balina interest okukiwuliriza era nga n'okukiyiga amangu. So si ng'oyogera n'abantu abakulu. So you should be flexible. Olina okumanya audience gy'oyogeramu. That is flexibility. Okay. So this bonus tip will help you to gain confidence when you are going to address any audience. And this is take a deep breath such that you relax at heart and you are able to communicate easily. You gain confidence. Remember, number one key is confidence. So if you take a deep breath and you relax, it will help you at least gain confidence when you're going to convey your message. Okay, those were the best communication skills. Hope you've picked something. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye-bye. And remember to subscribe and like and share my videos such that many people benefit from this. Okay, meet up in the next video.